Thanks for joining us on Times Now, viewers. Very good evening. Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, has picked sides. There are no two ways about it. His support lies solidly with the right-hand man of his, Vibhav Kumar, who assaulted or allegedly assaulted Swati Maliwal inside Sheesh Mahal, the CM's sprawling mansion. No Sakht Karwahi as promised by Sanjay Singh. Instead, Swati Maliwal's alleged assaulter Vibhav Kumar is getting patronage and protection from Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. The Delhi Chief Minister, who once called Swati Maliwal Dilli ki Lady Singham, has chosen to now abandon her completely. His display of support for Vibhav Kumar clear in these visuals. Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh and Vibhav Kumar photographed standing next to each other at the Lucknow airport. It doesn't end here. Mr. Vibhav Kumar drove around with Aam Aadmi Party's top bosses in the same car and was even present at the venue of the news conference. When the question on Swati Maliwal was posed, the Delhi Chief Minister ducked the question, looked uncomfortable and conveniently moved the mic towards Akhilesh Yadav, who said, "Isse zyada important mudde hain." You have to watch it to believe it.
अरविंद जी स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपके और जी आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपके और जी आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपके और जी आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपके और जी आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है।
You can call it insensitive, you can call it there is a sense of entitlement, arrogance, but the body language gave away that Kejriwal does not care about Swati Maliwal or the cause of justice. After this hurriedly concluded press conference, Times Now's Adi Walter tried to get a reaction from Mr. Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh, and the man at the center of the storm, the alleged assaulter, Vibhav Kumar. But the Aam Aadmi Party workers there who were present in large numbers formed a human chain. We are calling it the wall of shame. This is what happened.
स्वाति मालीवाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग सांसद है, सांसद का काम किया था। सांसद क्या कहा? आप बात करनी दीजिए, आप विभव से बात करनी दीजिए। आप विभव से बात करनी दीजिए। स्वाति मालीवाल सांसद है, क्या कहा? स्वाति मालीवाल सांसद है, क्या आरोप? भारतीय जनता आरोप लगा रही है। आपको आरोप पता है? आप आरोप बताइए। आप आरोप बताइए। मैं बता रहा हूँ स्वाति मालीवाल जी से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दौड़ा कर जंतर आप धक्का मत दीजिए। आप प्रज्वल रवन्ना पर मणिपुर के ऊपर बात करनी थी ना, आप ढकेलिए नहीं। सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल क्या कह रही है? सांसद स्वाति क्या कह रही है?
सांसद प्रज्वल रवन्ना के लिए मोदी जी ने
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल
सांसद प्रज्वल रवन्ना के लिए वोट मांगा। अरे मुझे अच्छा लगा।
नहीं आपको अच्छा लगा? स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ अच्छा लगा?
आप सवाल
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ अच्छा लगा?
आपने सवाल किया,
सांसद
महिलाओं पे आपने सवाल किया, अच्छा लगा।
धक्का दे रहे
महिलाओं पे सवाल,
सांसद स्वाति मालीवाल पे जो हुआ
मुझे अच्छा लगा कि
अच्छा लगा।
नहीं, महिलाओं की बात आपने
स्वाति मालीवाल पे हमला हुआ,
महिलाओं की बात की इसलिए अच्छा लगा।
आपको अच्छा लगा?
अब मैं
स्वाति मालीवाल पे हमला हुआ,
हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ, हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ, हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ,
आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
हाथ तो लगा रहा हूँ।
आप क्या करें?
ये कम
Adi Walter was heckled in this process. It's all on camera. And those who are saying that what did the Prime Minister say or do about Prajwal Revanna? That question was asked in the interview he gave to Times Now, and he said strictest of punishment must be taken. Let's open this up quickly. Shivam Chabda, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Karan Verma, author, analyst, Uma Sisodia, leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Professor Monojit Mandal, political analyst, completes the panel. You know, Karan, I am surprised by couple of things. Actually, you know, more than a couple of things. Arvind Kejriwal, who likes to call himself the crusader of everything good, today he did not even know where to look, what to say. Just look at the body language. What is he trying to hide? Why is there, this uncomfortable silence? When they could field Sanjay Singh to go out there and say that, look, we have zero tolerance against this, we will act against Vibhav Kumar. The next day, Vibhav is in the same jet and goes on a pole yatra with the chief minister. Karan?
Pranesh, you are surprised. I am aghast. I am shocked. And I am, today my head hangs in shame seeing that this man is the CM of Delhi. In the CM's residence, a woman is assaulted and this man keeps quiet and like a coward, and there's no other word. He's a coward who doesn't even answer and looks around. And this is his, ladke hain galti ho jati hai. You remember Mulayam Singh saying that? This is Arvind Kejriwal's moment of ladke hain galti ho jati hai. This is Arvind Kejriwal's Sam Pitroda moment. हुआ तो हुआ. ये चले थे राजनीति बदलने प्रनेश. इन्होंने बदल दी राजनीति. ये राजनीति को इतना नीचे ले गए that it is unprecedented that in front of the CM a woman is assaulted and that woman is still quiet. I am bothered what the condition of that woman is. Is she in trauma? Is she being coerced? Is she being intimidated? And that is a brave woman we are talking about. You must understand that. That is a Rajya Sabha member who's a yesteryear chairperson of the Women Commission. If she is not safe in Delhi, and this man can be so brazen, roaming around with that goon named Vibhav, and all these AAP supporters saying Vibhav ji, Vibhav ji. Arey wo Vibhav ji nahi hai, he's a bloody goon. That is what he is. उसको ये सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. This is a slap on the face of the people of Delhi कि भाई हम तो ऐसे ही हैं, जो करना है कर लो. We are going to
कुमार खास आदमी है, आम आदमी की परवाह नहीं है अरविंद केजरीवाल को. उमा सिसोदिया जी, विभव कुमार खास आदमी है. आपको तो याद होगा उमा जी, संजय सिंह ने क्या कहा था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में?
जी बिल्कुल याद है.
क्या कहा था मैम, एक बार दोहरा दीजिए प्लीज.
नहीं, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आज बीजेपी कितना, मतलब मुझे अच्छा भी बहुत लग रहा है. मैं आई एम फीलिंग गुड कि आज आपको महिलाओं की चिंता तो हुई कम से कम.
नहीं, महिलाओं की चिंता हमको हमेशा रहती है मैम.
में अंकिता भंडारी कांड हुआ, हमारी महिला पहलवानों को सड़क पर दौड़ा
Times Now was at the forefront of that coverage. We confronted Brij Bhushan, asked all the questions. We confronted the Manipur Chief Minister. Ma'am, what are you saying, उमा जी? अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो YouTube पे अवेलेबल है, आप देखिए. नहीं, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, अगर आप वो रेस्पॉन्स देंगी तो नहीं चलेगा. हमने ब्रिजभूषण को कन्फ्रंट किया, उसने हमारे रिपोर्टर को असॉल्ट किया, धक्का मुक्की की, उनका हाथ ऑलमोस्ट इंजर्ड हो गया था. बट मैं आपसे बस एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं उमा जी, आप ये बताइए, अब क्या पता स्वाति मालीवाल भी देख रही होंगी ब्रॉडकास्ट, आप उनको क्या जवाब देंगे अगर संजय सिंह कहते हैं कि विभव कुमार ने बदतमीजी की और उसके बाद अगर मुख्यमंत्री के साथ घूम रहे हैं, तो इसका क्या मतलब है?
देखिए, पार्टी का कुछ अंदरूनी मैटर है. कल संजय सिंह जी स्वाति मालीवाल जी से मिले थे और आप बार बार इस मुद्दे को जिस तरह से बढ़ाने और भड़काने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्या स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने, आप मुझे बताइए, आप जवाब दीजिए, मैं बीजेपी के स्पोक पर्सन से पूछ रही हूँ, क्या स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने क्या किसी थाने में जाकर रिपोर्ट लिखवाई है? क्या गृह मंत्रालय ने पुलिस?
ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है उमा जी. अभी शिवम छाबड़ा जवाब देंगे. मैं बस आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ, देखिए एक बात बताइए, अगर रिपोर्ट नहीं लिखवाई थी तो क्या जरूरत थी संजय सिंह को आके बाहर बोलने की मिसबिहेवियर हुआ है और विभव कुमार ने किया है और हमारा जीरो टॉलरेंस है, हम कार्रवाई करेंगे? क्या कार्रवाई की? ऐसे तो ये बाकी लोग भी करेंगे, किसी महिला के साथ अभद्र व्यवहार करेंगे और दूसरे दिन वो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि हम सीएम के साथ चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट में घूमे, उनके साथ गाड़ी में घूमे.
मालीवाल जी ने शिकायत की है क्या? स्वाति जी ने शिकायत की?
शिकायत नहीं की तो संजय सिंह ने क्यों बोला?
कोई वीडियो है आपके पास, कोई प्रूफ है?
एक बात बताइए, शिकायत नहीं की तो संजय सिंह ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों की?
आप मुझे बताइए.
नहीं, आप बताइए ना, संजय सिंह ने क्यों की? ये तो आप अपने लीडर्स को पूछिए.
बोला था, सुनिए महोदय, सुनिए आप मेरी बात. मैंने कल भी आपके चैनल पे यही बोला था कि अगर आपको लगता है कि स्वाति जी के साथ कहीं बहुत ज्यादा गड़बड़ी हुई है.
अरे हमें नहीं लगता, आपको तो लगता है, आपको तो लगता है, इसीलिए आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की. आपको तो लगता है ना.
मैंने तो कल भी बोला था कि गृह मंत्रालय को
उमा जी, you know, people can see through this. उमा जी, let me tell you, people can see through this bluff that you're trying to play. You know, Karan, it doesn't cut ice, nor is the argument convincing. Why did Sanjay Singh hold a press
I am
conference?
shocked.
Shivam Chhabra, you have to answer that question. She wants you to answer.
I mean, this is extremely shameful. I think on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, they must respond to the fact that a PCR call was an official. I mean, I'm all talking, what all I'm saying is factual. A PCR call, a police control room call was being made by Swati Maliwal ji, not once but twice. That is how police got to know that this kind of an aghast incident took place inside the Chief Minister's residence here at Civil Lines. It has not come from any satellite or maybe any Akashvani that has gone through or come through some of his informers or non-informers. This is an official police control room record that has come to the light. And secondly, to second our claim, the Rajya Sabha MP, another Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh ji, while doing a press conference yesterday, said and categorically said that she was उनके साथ बदसलूकी की गई. ये उनके शब्द है, मेरे नहीं शब्द है.
No, we'll play out what Sanjay Singh
specify
said.
किया.
No, we will play
It
that
was
out
done by
in just
Vibhav
2
Kumar,
minutes.
the PA to the Chief Minister, and I request you to play that press conference and probably inform what Umaji is saying. So it is not it's not a claim that is into the air. It has actually happened.
Right.
And she must be into that space that she should come up front and respond that why such incident happened, and that too at the Chief Minister's residence.
No, Mr. Chhabra, many in
Do
the
you really
BJP
think
have
that
also
Chief
questioned the
Minister's
silence
resident
of
for this
India
thing?
Alliance. Now, Priyanka Gandhi today has responded. She said that there should be strict punishment.
So this is what I'm trying to say. They are a bunch of liars. And you must believe me what I'm saying. They don't do what they say. They say, ladki hu lad sakti hu, only to a specific state. Not in Rajasthan. While the government was in Rajasthan, not in Delhi, not otherwise, anywhere else. So they are having complete double standards. And as I always say, that Arvind
Double
Kejriwal
standards.
and his
Mr. Mandal,
so-called allied partner,
Professor Mandal
must come up
want to
front
respond
and
to
say,
that.
what are
Priyanka
they
has
expecting
spoken.
out
Will
of
Mamata Banerjee break her silence on this? Professor Mandal? Or is this issue too insignificant for her to comment?
BJP is talking about assault on women. They have harbored a governor, Ananda Bose, who is now accused of rape by his own associate. A case of molestation took place in his chamber. He is still in the constitutional position. This person is now, this shameless man, is not even now facing the media. What are they doing with that? I'm making this charge, this rapist, the molester.
No, you are calling the governor a rapist?
Yes,
Professor Mondal,
yes,
you are calling him a
yes,
rapist?
Yes.
Which
yes.
court has found him
You are-
guilty?
Yes.
No, which court
yes.
is this? The kangaroo court in Bengal?
In
Which court is
which
this, sir?
court of-
Let's not jump the gun. Let's be responsible in our commentary. Mr. Mondal, 1 minute. Professor Mondal, the last I knew you were still a professor. You're not Justice Monojit Mondal. 1 minute. 1 minute. Listen. Professor Mondal, 1 minute. If there is a case that the court of law will decide, sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. You have the state government. Go act against him. But why call him names? We are not saying that Vibhav Kumar is a rapist. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Professor Mondal.
Did you?
Professor Mondal, would you like to withdraw that comment? You are calling the Bengal governor rapist.
No.
Which court has called him rapist? Has he been convicted? Has he been convicted, Professor Mondal? Does the law does the law work differently in West Bengal? Does the law work differently in Bengal? Professor Mondal, does the law work differently in Bengal? How are you calling the governor a rapist? How are you calling him a rapist? What is Sheikh Shah Jahan then? Listen, all I am saying that the court of law will 1 minute. Professor Mondal, आप इतना गुस्सा क्यों हो रहे सर? शांत हो जाइए. Professor Mondal, 1 minute sir. Calm down. Relax. 1 minute.
You don't have to calm me down. Calm yourself down. And
Sir, I am calm. I am calm, sir. I am calm.
If you are calm, then listen to me.
I am calm. Professor Mondal, how can you call someone a rapist?
What are you scared of?
I am telling you. 1 minute.
How could you?
Abhishek,
no,
1 minute.
Call Shahjahan Sheikh a terrorist? How could you call Shahjahan Sheikh a terrorist?
I am not calling Shahjahan. No, I am not.
BJP called him. BJP call
You
me.
deal with the BJP. I am asking you that question. Listen,
you are also
Shivam,
a BJP agent. You are acting like a BJP agent.
I am
Let me
BJP
speak at
agent.
least.
Okay.
You-
What are you?
you're not allowing me
No,
to
no.
speak.
What are
I'm
you?
accusing.
No, what are you? Are you from the
I
moon?
speak for TMC,
No, no.
everyone knows.
Which agency are you from? Are you from the
I have
moon?
a political identity. I have a political identity. which is
What
understood
political
that I can
identity?
express.
No, no. You
My
tell me.
political
What
identity
is your
known to
political
everyone.
identity?
I support Trinamool Congress. Do you
And
support
then
BJP?
what? That gives you the
Express
license to
yourself.
call
So
people
I have a
rapists,
political-
Professor Mondal. No, no, no. What
Ask
subject
him,
do you
no, no,
teach?
hang on.
How are you a
He is not
professor?
a rapist.
How are you a professor, Mondal?
Are you a journalist?
Mr. Mondal, how are you a
journalist?
professor?
Are you a
How can you
journalist?
call someone
How
a
are you a
rapist?
journalist? Why
1
don't
minute.
you allow
How
us
can
to
you
speak?
call someone a
How are you
rapist?
journalist? Why don't allow
I
us
am
to
not
speak?
allowing this
How are
kind
you
of
a
commentary on
journalist?
Times now. I'm
Why
sorry. I'm sorry. Either you apologize or I'll have to say thank you to you. Either you apologize or I'll have to say thank you to you. Karan, is this acceptable?
Ask him to dispute the charge. First, ask this person
Karan.
to come out and dispute the charge that he's not a rapist.
I don't know what has-
If he says that I'm not a
In a-
rapist, then I'll dispute.
You know, Professor
Fade us down,
Mandal,
please.
Professor Mandal, now hear me out. Don't rant like this. It is the Calcutta High Court. हम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं कहा शाहजहां शेख में. Calcutta High Court wrapped knuckles of the Mamata government and said, we don't trust your police. It is hand in glove with it. Hand this case to CBI. ये Calcutta High Court ने कहा. It is not BJP, it is not Pranesh, it is not me saying that. Calcutta High Court has wrapped you on the knuckles time and again. तो थोड़े facts बोलो. आप कैसे प्रोफेसर हो भाई? Facts से कोई
ये
लेना देना ही नहीं
teacher
आपका.
recruitment
और
scam
स्वाति
जैसा
मालीवाल
कुछ
पे
हुआ
केस
होगा.
करो ना. Here a
How
woman
did you
is
become-
assaulted
how did you
in the
become a
residence
professor?
of the CM?
No.
And
How did
instead
you
of
become a
commenting
professor?
that,
Was this
you
some
are making it
recruitment
about
scam?
Governor
You
of
know,
Bengal.
people must get to the root of
अरे
this.
कुछ तो शर्म
This
करो
is,
इस पे.
you know, this is irresponsible commentary. Professor Mondal, you know, I expect better from you. Actually, you know, you can still apologize. You can apologize, Professor Mondal. You can still apologize. Or maybe you don't understand how the law works. Or maybe the law applies differently in West Bengal. We don't know. We don't know, but for those who are wondering, why is there so much of outrage about AAP's duplicity? This is what Sanjay Singh had said. Sanjay Singh held a news conference day before yesterday and said this. Listen to this.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
केजरीवाल जी आपके साथ घूम रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ बोल रहा हूँ।
संजय जी आपने बात कही थी,
हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में
बोल रहा हूँ। एक सेकंड बोल रहा हूँ। सब लोग, पूरा देश हतप्रभ है, दुखी है, आज तक पीड़ित है। मणिपुर के अंदर एक कारगिल योद्धा की पत्नी को निवस्त करके घुमाया गया, सैकड़ों महिलाओं के साथ दरिंदगी हुई। भारत के प्रधानमंत्री खामोश रहते हैं।
It's the same man saying two different things in 2 days. Just took 24 hours to for AAP to do this flip-flop. We've run out of time, viewers, but let's see when Arvind Kejriwal breaks his silence, if he chooses to do that. Mr. Chabda, Karan Verma, Professor Mondal, thank you for joining us on Times Now.